Good morning, students. Today we can continue the determinant problem. Then how to use the conditions for singular and non-singular. Okay. See that x is 7.4. Sum number 4, determine the values of a and b so that the following matrices are singular. Sum number 4. The given two determinants, both determinants are singular matrix. What is the condition for singular matrix? The value of determinant is 0. So first of all, you can take the matrix. Given the matrix is A equal to 7, 3 minus 2 A. In this case, find the value of A. The given A is singular matrix. So determinants of A equal to 0. Determinants of A equal to 0. See, determinants of A equal to 0. So determinants, you can put determinant symbol. You can take the cross multiplication. 7 into A, 7A, put minus. 3 2s are 6, plus into minus, plus 6 equal to 0. So 7A is equal to minus 6. So A equal to minus 6 by 7. A equal to minus 6 by 7. Then the next problem. Given that you can take the given determinant is b. Since b is a singular, so determinant value equal to 0. Expand column one wise, b minus 1 into first row first column. So 1 2 minus 2 4. Next minus 2 into first row second column. We get this. Next plus 3 first row third column. We get this. Now you can take the cross multiplication. 1 into 4 4. So minus 4 minus 1 plus 4. Here 3 4s are 12 minus 2. Here minus 2. 1 into 1 1. You can put minus 1 minus 1. So 4 plus 4 8. 12 minus 2 is 10. Minus 6 minus 1 minus 7. If you multiply by this 8 into b, 8b is a minus 8. So minus 20 is minus 21. You can add this all numbers. We get the minus 49. So 8b is equal to 49. So b is equal to 49 by 8. 49 by 8. That is the given condition for singular, and find the value of a and b. And next problem. If cos 2 theta equal to 0. See, if cos 2 theta equal to 0. If cos 2 theta equal to 0, determine the determined value whole square. Determine the 0 cos theta sin theta, cos theta sin theta 0, sin theta 0, cos theta. So the given cos 2 theta equal to 0 means, so you can take cos 2 theta equal to 0. That means 2 theta is equal to cos inverse of 0. When you get the cos value is became a 0, cos 90 only 0, no? So cos inverse of 0 is 90. Since see cos 90 equal to 0, cos 0 is 1. The value of cos 0 is 1. Cos 90 is equal to 0. So 2 theta is equal to 90. So theta is equal to 45. So now we can, given the determinants delta, we can expand this first row wise. 0 into something 0. So minus cos theta into cos. Okay, cos into cos. First row second column. So cos into cos theta, cos square theta. Cos square theta. Next we can put 0. Next sin theta means 0 minus sin square theta. So we can cos into cos square is minus cos cube. Sin into minus sin cube is a minus sin cube whole square. So you can take out the minus common, means cos cube plus sin cube. So cos cube, theta is equal to 45, already you know very well. Theta is equal to 45. So we can put theta is equal to 45. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. So that is a 1 by root 2 whole cube, 1 by root 2 whole cube. So that is 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2 means 1 by 2 root 2. Here also 1 by 2 root 2. So that is 2 by 2 root 2. If we cancel it, 1 by root 2 whole square, that means 1 by 2. The value of this 1 by 2. Now find the value of the products. Here logarithmic is given. Logarithmic means you know logarithmic rule, log m power n is equal to n log m. Is a power will come in front of this. M power n. M power n means n log m. Okay. And similarly log m base m means that value is 1. Next, change of base root. The change of the base, you can recall all the results. Okay, see the first step, log 64, log 3, log 8, log 9. Here base is 3, here base is 4. Here log 3 base 2, log 3 base 8, log 4 base 3, log 4 base 3. Now we can multiply row into column. First row, first column. You get this. First row, second column. First row, second row, first column. Second row, second column. Okay. Now this C. If it is based the change of rule means log 3 will come. Change of base. So log 4 will come. So log 4 means that value is 1. Here also, see here, log 3 will come. So that the 1. Here also log 4. And here also log 4. So the change of value, you get the value is 1. See, log x base y, log y base x. If come this, you can use the change of rule, the value is 1. Okay. Next, we can take 64 means base 2 is there, no, you can split 64. 64 means that is 64 means 2 power 6. What is the reason? 2 into 2 into 2, 6 times you can multiply 2 means we can split 64. Here also 8, if your base 8 means you can change 8 like that. Base 2 means you can 2. So in front of power, so it will come 6. Log 2 means 1. So that's 6. Here 2 means 2. Log 8 means 1. Here see, log 3 log base 2 base 2. So that's 1. So in 3. Here also log 3 base 3. So that also 1. So 2 into 1 2. Here 3 into 1 3. Here 2 into 1 2. 6 into 1 6. If you add this means we get it. So 7 3s are 21 minus 15. Minus 15. So that is equal to 6. That value of this is 6. Okay. Now we can discuss about exercise 7.3. Sorry, exercise 7.5. That means 1 mark question. Choose the correct answer, most suitable answer in given 4 alternatives. See, in this exercise, you have to work out. You have to work out all the problem and write the class out. Okay. See, for example, here Aij 1/2, 3i minus 2j. They are asking 2 cross 2 matrix. 2 cross 2 matrix means, what is the 2 cross 2 matrix? A11, A12, A21, A22. So Aij. Already you know this very well. A11 means I equal to 1, J is equal to 1. A12 means I equal to 1, J is equal to 2. Here I equal to 2, J is equal to 1. I equal to 2, J is equal to 2. So you can substitute this value, this form. That means first one is 3 into 1 minus 2 into 1. Next one 3 into 1, 2 into 2. Next one 3 into 2, 2 into 1. Next one 3 into 2, 2 into 2. So finally we get this answer, second one. Okay. And the second problem, find the value of x. X means this matrix come this side means it will negative matrix. That means come this side means minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. If I add this means 3 minus 1, 2. 8 minus 2, 6. 7 minus 3, 4. 2 minus 4, minus 2. If I divided by 2 means we get this first one answer. Since 2x is there, you want x, so divided by 2. So like that you can. Third sum also. Third sum they ask which one of the following is not true. Is not true means if a diagonal matrix, which one of the following is not true. Scalar matrix means all terms are equal. All terms are equal. The diagonal terms are equal. Then 3 means 3, 3, 3. That's only scalar matrix. Diagonal matrix means it will be any number, no problem. That is, the diagonal number is not equal to 0. And upper triangular matrix means upper triangular is 3, 0. 3, 0. Upper triangle is 3, 0. Lower triangle means lower triangle is 3, 0. Upper triangle is 3, 0. Okay, upper triangle is 3, 0, lower. So which is only is not a scalar matrix. That only is not true. Diagonal matrix is true. The diagonal, that non-zero numbers. Upper triangle is there. Lower triangle is there. So the first one is the answer. Okay. Like this you can do all the problem. Okay. If you having any doubt, ask my WhatsApp number in 1 month. Anyway, the first chapter is over for you. Sorry, the 7th chapter is that volume 2. 7th chapter is completely over. You can read well. You have one that unit wise test. It will come maybe next Monday. So you can ready to write the test. Okay. I will post the question paper and write the test for chapter 7. Okay. Thank you.